In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dola App 2026. Dola is a scheduling assistant that lives inside your favorite messaging apps, so there's nothing new to install. To get started, open your browser and head to the official Dola website at heydola.com. Choose Start on WhatsApp or pick the option for iMessage, Telegram, or Line, whichever you use most. You'll be prompted to add Dola as a contact in that messenger. On WhatsApp, you can click the button or scan the QR code, and it will open a new chat with Dola. If your phone asks for permission to open the app, confirm it. That's it. No separate app download required. Next, initialize your first chat. Open the conversation with Dola and send a simple greeting like "Hi" or "Hello Dola." You'll get a welcome message with a quick overview. A helpful tip here: pin the chat and make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss confirmations or reminders. If you want even more convenience, connect your calendar. In the chat, type "Sync my Google Calendar" or "Connect my Apple Calendar." Then follow the authentication prompts. Once synced, anything you create with Dola shows up in your regular calendar app as well. Double check your time zone settings so events land at the right times. Now let's create schedules using natural language. You can text something like "Meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. or "Lunch on Saturday at 1:30 p.m. and Dola will parse it and create an entry. Prefer hands-free? Record a quick voice message, for example, "Dentist appointment next Thursday at 4, and Dola will transcribe and schedule it. You can also send an image, like a poster or a screenshot with event details, and Dola will extract the key information. For best results, include a date, time, and location, and specify AM or PM when it's not obvious. After adding an event, set reminders. Say, "Remind me 30 minutes before my meeting," or "Set a daily reminder at 7 a.m. and Dola will confirm the alert. You can always adjust or remove reminders later. Plans change, and that's fine. Ask Dola to modify or delete events with messages like "Move my 10 a.m. meeting to 11 a.m. or "Cancel Saturday lunch." Mention the event title or time so it can find the right one quickly. To check your agenda, ask "What's on my schedule today?" or "Show my events this week," and you'll get a clear summary. You can also ask about the weather, like "What's the weather like tomorrow?" Handy for outdoor planning. Finally, for group scheduling, add Dola to a group chat and tag it. For example, @Dola team dinner next Friday at 6 p.m. Dola can coordinate and share calendar entries with everyone. And that's how to use Dola as your everyday scheduling assistant. Send that first "hello" and you're ready to go.